Okay, we're ready. Let's start. Ancient life, one who protects the way. Spirits of the oak tree, open up your ancient duty. Show the way to us who have not lost hope. If you go down this path, you'll reach the Temple of Water. Well, it's time. Be careful. Aren't you a water pig?
You scared me.
Oh, sorry. I thought that the water pigs had come raiding again.
Raiding? Did something happen?
They took my precious round cog and hid it somewhere. Now I can't open the water gate. It's the round cog! I thought it was gone forever! Now, to the water gate. That does it. And here, now the water gate's open. Have you seen the water tank in this room? It was made by our own crystal craftsman, and it's quite a piece of work.
Excuse me, are you good at swimming? The water temple is, as the name implies, mostly filled with water. And the evil pig magic has caused continual rain as well. It's making the current flow faster. If you can't swim, this is a truly dangerous place.
What are you doing in a place like this?
I'm captured by the water pig.
I see. We've got to help somehow.
Thank you. It's been so long since I've been here. Let's see. You can fill this water tank up to the brim and escape from the top. In order to do that, we need to fill this hole.
Tombi, there's a hole right here.
Yes, the water pigs left that hole. The water just drains back out.
So what do we do?
Just above the water temple entrance, there's a person who makes crystal for decorating the temple. I think he made this water tank. We should consult with him.
The room above the entrance. I found it.
I'm making the decorations for the water temple. The transparent decorations are particularly complicated. I use a special crystal, but it's really hard to get. If I just had some crystal, I could make something for you boys. Huh? You got one? You boys are amazing! Okay, this should be enough. Wait just a moment. Ta-da! It's ready, and like I promised, this is for you, boys.
should block the hole. Then, you just ride the water up and out. Thank you. You've really been a help. I want to give you something in return. What's this? You have a pig suit? And I have the perfect thing to give you. Through ancient wisdom, by the water spirit's protection, I give this suit new powers. Surprised that I just added more power to your pig suit? I gave you the power to swim. In other words, anyone who puts this swimming pig suit on can swim, no matter how bad a swimmer. It's a gift to show my gratitude. Well, come on, try it on. How is it? No need to worry about drowning now.
I was planning to use this raft to ship my cargo, but well, just look at this! That white platform is in the way, and I can't move forward. Surely there is a mechanism nearby for lowering this platform. Wow! Look how high up it's placed! I could never have done that myself! Now, at last, I'm ready to ship my cargo. All I have to do now is load it on the raft. This is way too heavy! I've got it! For helping me, I'll give you this treasure chest. It just won't fit onto this raft anyway. So I'm on my way. Thanks.
He said, on my way, but where exactly was he going? There's a cave in that direction, isn't there? One big fish, but it looks like it's sleepy.
Thank you. At last, I'm free.
May I ask you something?
What is it, dear?
You said this place was also cursed by evil pigmen. If so, there should be an evil pig back here somewhere. Do you know anything about this?
We'll need to wake the giant fish, the guardian deity of the water temple. Pretty hard task right now. To wake up the giant fish, I'll need my heart. But when the water pigs shut me away, they took that too. What? You aren't actually planning to go look for it, are you? Thank you so much. But do be careful. When they took the harp from me, I watched them disassemble it into 4 parts. They took the harp's right side, the harp's left side, the high-pitched pearl, and the low-pitched pearl. They threw the pieces in the air and they landed somewhere within the area.